on your television screens of the new 500 note variant with the differences in color and also printing defect, where the Reserve Bank of India has clarified that it is likely that these notes with printing defect got released due to the current rush. Aditya Ananthanarayanan is joining me live from the national capital. Aditya, take us through the various defects that have been pointed out and what confusion that it is causing amongst people.
Well, in fact, there are almost 9 printing errors in this new variant of the 500 currency, which has now come out in the market. In fact, the RBI has come out and clarified that there is a printing defect, which is a major embarrassment for the RBI as well, because given the cash crunch, given the urgency of printing new currencies, that is the new 500 and 2,000 rupee currency, there has been a lot of confusion that has been created by this particular note, which has now been circulated in the market. 9 particular errors in the new currency notes that have come out. We can see a double image of one profile side of Mahatma Gandhi, which is printed on there. The numbers which are written right at the bottom of that particular note, we can see a difference on that as well. On the left-hand side corner, we can see some kind of difference as far as the images that are being printed on the notes are concerned. So these are amongst the almost 9 printing errors that are there in the new 500 rupee currency notes, which are now there at the market. In fact, in a clarification, the Reserve Bank of India has come out and said that this might be because of the urgency of printing new notes. This might be because of the cash crunch that is there. There is enough pressure on the printing press also at this point of time, given the fact that there is still not enough new 500 and 2,000 rupee currency notes that are in the market at this point. In fact, the RBI has also said that any person who has this new variant, this new errored note, can now either exchange it from the RBI counters or can use it for further transactions. But now what has really picked up the ire is that if such notes are there in the market, then it is easy for people to use them as state currencies. So will the RBI manage to get all these errored notes back and get them out of circulation is something that will take some time.
That was precisely going to be my next question to you, Aditi, because imagine if somebody has this new note, or you can say the defective note, and they are using it in the market. How will one know it is not fake or is it not defective, and how will the person actually use these notes in transactions in everyday life?
Absolutely, that's the bigger question that is being raised, that any person now can print their own notes and come out and say that these are probably the defective notes. So will RBI and the central government manage to ensure that the black money or the fake currency will not come back in the market? Because remember, the main idea behind this entire demonetization drive was to get back black money in the country, to ensure that black money is out of the banks, black money is out of the homes of all those black money holders. But now this particular second variant that has come out has caused a lot of trouble even for the RBI and the central government. For now, the RBI has said that these notes can be used for further cash transactions. These notes can also be given back to the RBI, and the fresh notes will be given to the people. But yes, it is a huge embarrassment for the RBI, because till now the RBI has not come out and said how many such errored notes are there in the market, how many defective notes have already been there in circulation. So it is a huge and a humongous task for the RBI to ensure, to understand how many such notes are already there in market, how many such notes have already been circulated, and how many such notes has RBI managed to get back from the market.
And as my colleague Aditi was pointing out, it comes as a big embarrassment for the Reserve Bank of India, where there is confusion that has been caused after 2 variants of the new 500 rupee notes have now emerged in the Indian market.